Good day to you, brothers and sisters. I'm Dean, and welcome to Preach and Ponder. Preach and Ponder is a Latter-day Saint YouTube channel devoted to uncovering, analyzing, and contemplating the unique and often radical theology of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, with an emphasis on the esoteric, the forgotten, the unexplored, and the unresolved. Here, you can expect to learn about advanced and excitingly mysterious subjects in our religion, like the materiality of souls, the nature of intelligence, open theism, theories of spirit birth, the divine feminine, sacred relic traditions, the origins of God, forgotten ordinances, and the heights and depths of this great and peculiar faith. You can also look here for interfaith dialogue, interviews with experts, intra-faith apologetics within a Latter-day Saint context, and possibly even debates and debate reviews. But this channel's focus on the esoteric and the mysterious is not because this is where salvation lies in our religion. It doesn't. But understanding the esoteric parts of our faith and the mysteries therein does help us to understand our identity as Latter-day Saints, not just of who we were, but who we can still be today, and not to hide from that. In fact, it is my hope that this exploration of the mysterious will not only strengthen your faith, but enlighten your mind. For in the words of Christ to the prophet Joseph, to them will I reveal all mysteries, yea, all the hidden mysteries of my kingdom. Even the wonders of eternity shall they know, and their wisdom shall be great, and their understanding reach to heaven. For by my Spirit will I enlighten them, and by my power will I make known unto them the secrets of my will. Yea, even those things which eye has not seen, nor ear heard, nor yet entered into the heart of man. So, if you'd like to join me in pursuing that, then welcome to Preach and Ponder.